Keep yourself looking great and feeling great when you're out there on the trail in this shoe from Adidas. This silhouette is the outdoor Terrex Voyager 12, the heat-ready design that's going to be super comfortable and breathable, especially during those summer months. Really update your performance with this lightweight feel. It has a bungee lacing system with a closure toggle to give you an easy on and off with a secure fit. The inside also has plenty of padding, especially on the collar there, with the heel to give you a more lockdown feel. And the upper is made with a textile and synthetic design to keep it super breathable yet sturdy. It does have a comfortable foam footbed sitting down there in the bottom with an EVA midsole to add some extra squish and comfort with every single step. Underneath all of that, it has a Traxion outsole that delivers maximum grip on all directions with any terrain with that super flexible yet durable feel.